Are you tired of taking prescription medications? Sick and tired of feeling sick and tired? Betsy Bruns is a certified health coach and educator, and like you, Betsy was concerned that her family health history would one day catch up on her, and so Vegsetter was born. Vegsetter is designed to help you take charge of your health. Vegsetter offers personal coaching, evidence-based nutritional workshops, and interactive cooking classes. It's time for change. Lead with a fork-over-knife approach and learn how to thrive on a plant-based diet. It's never too late to make choices that will result in healing your own body with something as simple as your diet. Betsy is about to launch her new vlog series. Subscribe so that you don't miss vital information. Grow healthier and happier day by day. Visit Vegsetter.com. You have the power to create or heal by booking a free consultation today.